You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 10. Let's solve it step by step. Group all our terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 5 over 2x from both sides. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the r. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2 over -1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 10.